Welcome to the Cybersecurity Ops with Bash Command Overview series. In this episode, we will look at the TR command. The TR command has three primary functions: replacing one character with another character, deleting a specified character, and removing character repetition. Here is a sample file. To replace a character within the file, you will provide TR with two arguments. The first argument represents the character you want to replace. The second argument represents the character it will be replaced with. Here, I will replace the lowercase t with an uppercase T. The arguments can also consist of more than one character. Here I will replace the characters lowercase t and lowercase f. The lowercase t will be replaced with an uppercase T. The lowercase f will be replaced with an exclamation point. Finally, the TR command also accepts ranges and character classes as arguments. You can provide the range lowercase a to lowercase z as the first argument, and uppercase a to uppercase z as the second argument. This will effectively replace all lowercase letters with its uppercase equivalent. The TR command can also be used to delete specified characters. This file consists of a series of lines that end with a semicolon. You can use TR's TAC-D option to delete the semicolon. Simply provide the character you want to delete as the argument. You can also delete multiple characters at once by including them in the argument. Here we delete the semicolon and also any instances of the capital letter T. Finally, you can use TR to remove character repetition. This is known as squeezing. Use TR's TAC-S option to delete repetition. In this file, I have 3 sentences. Each sentence is separated by 2 space characters. By using the squeeze option and providing it with the space character, you can reduce the double spacing between sentences down to a single space. Here is a more concrete example. This file consists of data separated into 4 columns. Each column is separated by a tab character. You can convert this tab delimited file into a comma delimited file by using TR to replace the tab character with a comma character. Another common use of TR is to convert Windows line breaks to Linux line breaks. Here we open a file in VI, and we can see the file contains both a carriage return and new line character. To delete the carriage return, we can use TR's -D option and provide it with the \R character as the argument. We can then write it to a new file. As we examine the new file in VI, you can see that the carriage return has been removed.